In this video, I will share a proven way to work from home and make money fast. If you are looking for something that requires no previous skills, takes minimal time, can be done at your convenience, and can produce significant income, stick with me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money from home on a full-time basis for over 20 years. And if you haven't done so yet, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all comments. So I've found something where the money is great, but what my wife Barbara and I really treasure is the time freedom that it creates too. See, I ski most days in the winter and sell most days in the summer, while the majority of people are stuck at their jobs. And even though it's considered a home business, you do not need to be home to do this. You can do it from anywhere. I even do it while I'm out sailing. So here's why this home business is my #1 recommended income stream. First, it's super simple. Anyone can do it. Like I said, no experience is necessary. Everyday people all over the world are having success with us. It's all done online, and it's mostly automated. You will have your own powerful marketing system, landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails. You set it up and let it run. It works for you 24/7 while you do the things you really want to do. And this is what leverages your time to create the time freedom that is so special. This home business is an affiliate marketing opportunity. That means you do not have to create anything. You do not need to handle any products or any customers. We market 4 high-demand digital products. The marketing system does all of the heavy lifting. All you do is use the free marketing strategies we teach to get traffic to your website, and then let the system take it from there. And this literally takes minutes a day. As for making money, well, we get paid 80% commissions on every product, and we get paid recurring income too. This recurring income is money that comes in month after month for the sales you make each day. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit, no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. And you can make money fast. Many new people make money their very first day. Plus, I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day, again, even if you've never done anything like this before. See, we have the best training in the work-from-home industry. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom. We have a very detailed online training website with dozens of great how-to videos, and we have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. But best of all, when we team up, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Making money from home is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. To learn more and start making money today, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.